What does the Taliban refer to themselves as? Answer: Islamic Emirates of Afghanistan. Who was the founder of Taliban? Answer: both A and B. In which year did the Taliban gain power over Afghanistan? Answer: 1996. What was the capital of Afghanistan when the Taliban were in power? Answer: Kandahar. Which of the following is the ideology followed by the Taliban? Answer: both A and B. In which year did the Soviet Union occupy Afghanistan? Answer: 1979. Who is the current leader of the Taliban? Answer: Habatullah Akhundzada. Who were the Taliban? Answer: former ruling group that control Afghanistan government. Who was the former leader of Al Qaeda? Answer: Osama bin Laden. What is an Al Qaeda? Terrorist organization. When the Soviet Union invaded Afghanistan, the US gave money and weapons to this group. Answer: Mujahideen. The Taliban emerged came to the power in this year. Answer: 1996. What type of government did the Taliban implement put into place? Answer: Sharia, strict version of Islamic law. Who was the leader of the Taliban in 1996? Answer: Mullah Omar. What type of strategy did the Mujahideen use when fighting against the Soviet Union? Answer: Guerrilla warfare. While the Taliban ruled in Afghanistan, they allowed this terrorist group to train in Afghanistan. Answer: Al Qaeda. Who were the Mujahideen? Answer: Islamic fundamentalists who fought against the Soviet invasion. What type of government does Afghanistan have today? Answer: Democracy. What is the main reason the US went to war in Afghanistan? Answer: Attack of September 11, 2001. What was an important weapon the US provided to the Mujahideen during the Soviet-Afghan War in the 1980s? Answer: Stinger missile. Who was the first president of Afghanistan? Answer: Hamid Karzai. Why did the US attack certain military groups in Afghanistan? Answer: In retaliation for the 9/11 attacks. What Afghanistan group helped the terrorist group Al Qaeda? Answer: Taliban. When did the war in Afghanistan begin? Answer 2001. What was the name of the US military operation in Afghanistan? Answer Enduring Freedom. The United States easily defeated the Taliban and peace was restored to Afghanistan. Answer False. Where was Osama bin Laden found? Answer Pakistan. What Afghanistan group allied with the US to stop the Taliban? Answer Northern Alliance. Who was Hamid Karzai? Answer President of the Afghanistan government through much of the war. A major source of income for the Taliban is the drugs heroin. Answer True. Thank you.